Ever wondered how the smallest changes can lead to the most significant results? How the flutter of a butterfly's wings in Brazil can set off a cascade of atmospheric changes that could potentially trigger a tornado in Texas? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? This notion that the tiniest of our actions could ripple through time and space, altering the course of events in ways we could never foresee. Welcome to the fascinating world of the butterfly effect. The butterfly effect, a phenomenon that explains how the smallest changes can lead to the most significant results. Now you might be thinking, what does a butterfly have to do with all of this? The name stems from an analogy. If a butterfly flaps its wings in Brazil, could it set off a tornado in Texas? Now this doesn't mean every butterfly is a weather wizard, it's a metaphor to illustrate how minor variations in a system can drastically alter its course over time. To better understand the butterfly effect, let's consider a simple, everyday example: the domino effect. Picture a line of dominoes, each one slightly bigger than the last. With just a gentle nudge, the smallest domino topples, knocking over the next one and the next, each impact growing more significant until the largest domino falls. This is the butterfly effect in action, a small input leading to a large and surprising output. Or consider a pebble thrown into a tranquil pond. The initial splash is small, but the ripples it creates spread far and wide, reaching the very edges of the pond. That's the butterfly effect again, a minor disturbance creating wide-reaching effects. But let's bring this concept closer to home. Think about the impact of a single vote in an election. In isolation, it might seem insignificant. But when combined with many other insignificant votes, it can swing the entire election result. Hence, even the smallest actions like casting a vote can lead to significant outcomes, embodying the essence of the butterfly effect. So, the butterfly effect isn't just about butterflies or dominoes or pebbles or votes. It's about recognizing how interconnected our world is and how even the smallest changes can have a profound impact on the grand scheme of things. So, it's clear that even the tiniest changes can set off a chain of events that can lead to substantial outcomes. The butterfly effect isn't just a scientific theory, it's a reality we experience every day. Imagine you're rushing to work and spill your coffee. You're forced to change your shirt, which makes you miss your usual bus. Now, you have to take the next one, which leads to a chance encounter with an old friend. This encounter might rekindle your friendship or even open up new professional opportunities. A small coffee spill in this case has led to significant changes. Or consider another scenario. You're walking down the street and see a stranger looking downcast. You decide to share a smile, a seemingly insignificant gesture. Unbeknownst to you, that simple act of kindness could be the bright spot in their otherwise gloomy day, inspiring them to pass on the positivity to others. The ripple effect of your small action could potentially touch the lives of many, and all it took was a smile. Such is the essence of the butterfly effect in our daily lives. It's not just about catastrophic weather events sparked off by distant butterfly wings, it's about the small decisions we make, the tiny actions we take, and the seemingly insignificant moments that can set off a chain of events, altering the course of our lives and those around us. The butterfly effect is an ever-present force, guiding the course of our lives in ways we might not always realize. So, what does this mean for us? Well, the butterfly effect isn't just a scientific concept, it's a reminder of the profound potential within each of us. Every decision we make, every action we take, no matter how small, can ripple outwards, creating change that goes far beyond our immediate sphere. Consider the simple act of smiling at a stranger. That small gesture might brighten their day, inspiring them to perform a kind act for someone else. From there, the chain of positivity can continue, reaching people you'll never meet, places you'll never see. This isn't just about spreading kindness though, it's about recognizing that everything we do matters. Every step towards a goal, every effort to improve, every choice to do better, these are the flutters that can create a hurricane of change. So next time you question the significance of your actions, remember this: the smallest actions can have the most significant impacts. That's the power of the butterfly effect.